Marami talaga sa atin, judger. Ay, whack job si ate. Naughty si kuya. Nako, wag baliwalain ang mental health. It's real. Stress, double duty, minsan ay singled out pa ng boss. Mga mi, workers have a right to mental health. Kaya dito, sa pinakamalaking ospital sa Dasma, naging proactive ang De La Salle Medical and Health Sciences Inc. Employees Union. It launched Recharge and Reconnect with the La Salle community. May forum on work-related stress at mental health, peer support system, ang relaxing massage, distribution ng wellness kits, at yugyugan sa intense na Zumba session. So tama na ang over na ukrayan, pasahan ng sisihan, trabahong maghapon at magdamagan. Ang mental health ay karapatan na dapat pag-usapan, kaya't ating pagplanuhan at aksyonan.